Hi everyone, I just wanted to send a message to say thank you so much for taking part in this project so far. We're really looking forward to your submissions on Monday, and please just really focus on the audience engagement of your projects. How are you going to engage with our audience, engage with the conference audience, the art audience, the live audience, and the international community that Future Everything brings together? So we're really looking forward to your submissions. Make sure everything is as simple and as clear as possible, and we'll come back to you very soon after Monday with our decisions on the projects we're going to bring to Manchester. So even if your project doesn't get selected to come over, we are going to look to support you in the future if you'd like to continue developing a project. So we'll be in touch about that, but we can feature your projects online and we can connect you with some organisations and networks as part of our community, be they festivals or technology companies or funders and local authority companies as well. So thank you again, and good luck with the final, pulling the final submission together, and we'll be in touch soon.